Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get access to the SD card on your Amazon tablet. So the first thing is of course inserting the SD card. So we have to take off the case. Sorry, it's pretty card. Okay, now just look for your SD socket and open it. It's possible in the specific models you will need the tool for that. Okay, now just enter the SD card in that way. There we have a screen, and just push with your finger. Okay, the SD card is installed, so we can unlock the device. And now if you want to get access to the SD card storage, go to the settings, down the storage, and here you can see there you have a mount SD card. And now to open the SD card I need to format that. Remember, this process will erase your all data from your card. Okay, now we're done, so choose one of these options and click done. And now we can open the SD card on our Amazon tablet. Sorry. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.